My name is Officer Antoine with the Margate Police Department. So tonight we're doing an operation, a traffic operation, where we're targeting most of our problematic areas in the city. This is 6900 Margate Boulevard, which is a very common area for complaints with speeding. So we're out here now targeting our reckless drivers, obviously drivers that are driving in excess of the speed limit and whatnot. My sergeant observed you offload a passenger in the roadway. You cannot do that, okay? The state specifically states that you cannot offload a passenger on the roadway, okay? Which you've done so, it's a consequence to inaction, so you're receiving a citation for that. All right, ma'am? All right, you're all set. Drive safely, please. So step outs are typically when we're stationary and we're out on foot. And what we'll do is we'll first, we'll clock our speeder. Once we have a violator, we'll step out in the middle of the roadway, stop the vehicle, we'll pull them into a safe area, and then we conduct the traffic stop in that manner. Then we have what's called chase downs, which is when we're in our marked units or unmarked units, and we observe a violator and we stop them with the vehicle, which is typically what most people are more familiar with. So you help people, keep people safe. It keeps it exciting, keeps it interesting. So this here is a 35. So you have 55 here. So we're gonna go ahead and do a chase down. .37 motor 11050. All right, sir. So you're gonna be receiving a citation tonight, okay? It's 20 over, okay? Everything is enclosed in here. All right, drive safely, okay? Make sure you slow it down. 37 motor 1, copy at 1050. Hello, ma'am, how you doing? I'm Officer Antoine, Margate Police Department. So this car here has that issue. It's actually a very common issue with this car.
I will have to let him know.
Yeah, so he probably most likely doesn't know that his taillights are out. People do appreciate law enforcement, so you know you're always well received by the community. So it's a very rewarding job for sure.